1. Cargo ships. A cargo ship, often known as a freighter. It is a type of merchant ship that transports cargo, products, and resources from one port to another. Every year, thousands of cargo ships travel the world's seas and oceans, carrying the majority of international trade. 2. Container ships. A container ship, also known as box ship, is a cargo ship that transports all of its goods in truck-size intermodal containers, a process known as containerization. Container ships are a common kind of commercial intermodal freight transport and presently carry the majority of seagoing non-bulk cargo. 3. Bulk carrier. A bulk carrier, also known as a bulker, is a commercial ship that is specifically intended to transport unpackaged bulk goods in its cargo holds, such as grains, coal, ore, steel coils, and cement. Since the first specialized bulk carrier was built in 1852, economic factors have pushed these ships to grow in size and complexity. 4. Tanker ships. A tanker, also known as a tank ship, is a ship intended to carry or store large liquids or gases. Tanker ships are mainly classified on the basis of the type of cargo and size of the vessel. The most common forms of tank ships are oil tankers, product tankers, chemical tankers, and gas carriers. 5. Naval ships. A naval ship is a military ship used by the Navy. Naval commercial ships differ from civilian ships in terms of structure and mission. In general, naval ships are resistant to damage and are outfitted with weapon systems, whereas troop transports have little to no weaponry. Warships are Navy ships that are mainly built for naval combat, as opposed to support auxiliary ships or shipyard activities. 6. RORO ships. Roll-on, roll-off commercial ships or RORO ships are cargo ships intended to transport wheeled goods such as automobiles, trucks, semi-trailer trucks, buses, trailers, and railroad cars that are driven on and off the ship on their own wheels or utilizing a platform vehicle such as a self-propelled modular transporter. 7. Cruise ships. Cruise ships are built to serve passengers with accommodations and entertainment, with an emphasis on onboard amenities and comforts. Cruises are intended to transport passengers between ports in accordance with a vacation plan, rather than from one destination to another. 8. Gas carriers. They are sometimes grouped in with oil tankers, but have more advanced technology for storing liquefied gas. They are more technically sophisticated as compared to any other form of vessel, including bulkers and containers. Gas carriers can be divided into 5 types based on the type of cargo carried and the mode of transportation. 15. Reefer ships. A reefer ship is a refrigerated cargo ship that transports perishable goods such as meat, fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and other goods that require temperature control. The holds of a reefer ship are specially insulated and cold air is pumped into them at proper temperature for the cargo.